Hello everyone, welcome to another video. And I just came home all excited because a part from a drift car came on the mail. Guess what it is? One more time. I give it another chance. And I'm gonna tell you guys, is the Takata Drift 3 bolt-on harness. Yes, I'm so excited. This finally came today on the mail, and I'm gonna go ahead and install it. The box, and wow, this harness looks better in person than in pictures. It looks just so amazing. Again, this is the Takata 3. This is the 3-inch harness, and yeah, and also this is the bolt-on harness that go with the factory, bolt-on place. There we go. We got some sticker in the manual, and now we're gonna set this up. I'm just so excited. Wow, this is so beautiful. And you can tell that a very good high quality. I don't think this thing will like rip apart or something. This thing will definitely help you very well in track, or even on the street, because this is street approved. So I think this is for the right side. Can't wait just to have this car out. And just pull this guy out. Alright. Steering wheel out. Just go like this. So we just need to slip this in through here. Release. Okay, so the harness will go like this. And the other one. Release. We're gonna go over here. This. Perfect. Awesome. Damn. That looks just good. Very nice. We are gonna go ahead and bolt it on now. I think so the harness came with 4 bolts. I think they're, let me see. Yep, they're right. They are 17mm sockets, wrench sockets. That this gonna, I think, bolt on place. I think this gonna be like this. Bolt on right on this here, on this socket here. I just gonna go ahead and preset this, just to make sure that I have the right fitment. Just one sec. I'm just gonna mount this here. Whoa. Here it is. Well, just unbuckle this thing. Oh. And this is gonna go over my shoulders. Okay. Damn it, it's a little tight. So we're just gonna adjust it here with this while you pull up. If it works. There you go. Nice. So we're sitting. This is good. This is good. And just pull it in here. And boom! And you're tight. A little tight. everything is removed now. Now it's just here. Yeah. It's nice. I think. Let me pull this up better. What? Yeah, I'm too tight now. But yeah, this overall were very nice, and I think that looks great. I think this fit fantastic with the seat. It doesn't hurt you or anything but the shoulders. They're really tight. You can't do any movements now. Yep, very simple to install. You just bolt onto the stock seatbelt bolt, and that's pretty much. Now to loosen up this, you're just gonna pull this guy up a bit, just like this, and you just out and lock here, and you just bring this guy down here, you know, and just go a little tighter now. I think this is a comfortable feeling. It's feel like that you won't like that is you're gonna go sideways and you're gonna go out from the window. I think the only way to like maybe like rip this thing off is just gonna come out with chassis and everything, because the bolts are very solid as well. You know, very nice technology here. This one here. By pulling up, or by pulling up here, you tighten up the seatbelt. You know, by pulling up the other side, by pulling down the other side, is loosening up the seatbelt, and same as the other side, which is this one here. Now, if you pull this up, you're gonna tighten up this guy here. Let's go into your hip. So I'm really happy to set up. It's very nice, and I really love this. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and lock this with red lock tight, you know, and that's pretty much. So I'm here, you know, at the back of the car. We're gonna lock that seatbelt in place. We're gonna add some thread locker on the bolt that the harness gave us. It came with the harness. I'm gonna make sure that this ball won't get loosened. You know, any vibration or anything like that. You know, using the 17mm wrench socket, we're just gonna lock it in place. And make sure the ball is nice and strong. Also this side. fire extinguisher here. Camera over there. There. Go to the other side. And finish the other bit. There you go, guys. So we have our Takata harness installed. 10-15 minutes, maybe less. But I think it just looks very nice. That's pretty much for this video. You know, I just want to share the experience with you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe. And I see you guys next time.